The end of Netflix basic and better iPhone repair weekly roundup. This was another wise week for tech news with change coming to iPhone repair, Netflix, and much more. Here are the biggest story you might have missed. The big news of Fire TV just turned its beautiful screensaver into add space. Bent experience will no show and add banner may have just leaked your phone number. The company behind confirmed hacker were able to access phone number belonging to users. Meta quiets handset are no more like the Apple Vision Pro. Meta handset no free floating app window starting with the V67 software updates. Microsoft Office web apps have a fresh new design. Word, PowerPoint, and Excel on the web are now a bit easier to use. Netflix is starting to kill off its basic plan. If you still had Netflix original basic plan with no ads, you also have to upgrade to a more premium plan or deal with ads. You could break your Pixel 6 with a factory reset. Google calls this a no issue and is currently searching for a solution. The next Mint 22 beta is now available. it has a it has an Mint 24 base change to the system application and a lot more. Proton drive now has a Google Docs clone more more than just end-to-end encrypted file. Microsoft Excel web app just got a massive overall create insert frizzy pens and more element with a single mouse click. Hacker are targeting this router and D-Link would not patch it. The D-Link DIR 859 reached the end of life in 2020 and should be replaced. Other stuff you might remember Nike's self lacing adapts BB show that fair released in 2019. Nike just announced that the show are now and the mobile app used for some functionally removed from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Shows would not be completely useless without the app, but it's yet another example of products become orange when the connected apps are shut down. Chat GPT also had another fun incident this week for a while typing high would case the chatbot to print out its own interaction for communicating with the user as well as guidelines for the Dell image generator. Just another day in generative all word. We want to hear from your share you are opening in the thread below and remember to keep it respectful. This thread is open for be the first to post your throughout create insert more the just end-to-end encrypted file. Microsoft Excel web app just got a massive overhaul. Create insert frozen pens and move element with a single mouse click. Hacker are targeting this router and the link would not patch it. The D-Link DIR 859 reached the end of life in 2020 and should be replaced. You might remember Nike's self racing adapt BB shoes that were released in 2019.